Nakamoto conceptualized the concept of distributed blockchain in their white paper as direct communication from one point to the other one. Okay? So it was the same as this one. Now in 2009, the evolution of blockchain is now still in promising. So now in 2009, that's where they brought this blockchain layer. I mean layer 2 blockchain. That was the first one. That blockchain that was only working on digital cash and cryptocurrencies was blockchain layer 1. Now in 2009, they started inventing how they can build layer 2 blockchains that can work into different fields of our lives. Now in 2014, that's where blockchain was separated from the currency, and now this blockchain 2 or layer 2 blockchain was born. Now the blockchain started to affect many different fields of our lives.